Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Once again, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this lecture, we will differentiate between some important topics in political philosophy that usually our Pakistani students are confused or ambiguous regarding these topics. To begin with, let me start or tell you about these concepts or ideas in political philosophy. That what is political thought, what is a political theory, what are political theologies or theology, and what is political philosophy and even political ideology. If you look and analyze all these terminologies, you will no doubt agree with me that all these topics consist of one singular idea, and that is the concept of idea. Because a theory, an ideology, and even philosophy, these are the outcome of ideas. So therefore, I consider it very important to point out we must know that behind all these types of G's, meaning ideologies, theories, political thought, political philosophy, there is one thing common, and that is idea. But do remember, the idea that we take into account in this modern age, most probably the Greek political thinkers, political philosophers, political commentators might have used it in other way round. For example, they thought that the theory of politics, or simply political theory, or more precisely political thought, this is indeed the history of all political ideas. Do remember this point. Ideas, political ideas of the past political philosophers which happened through years. Political ideas usually is concerned with the state, with the society. By society I simply mean family, institutions, etc. So here political ideas mean that it tells us about the relationship between state and its institutions, and in the same way the relationship between state and people, meaning authority and liberty, for example. Political theory is not usually a descriptive, but it also can explain that why some actors or roles in the society, at that time in the society means in the state, why they are not working well or do not accomplish the desired results. So I mean to say that before we may understand the differences between political history, political thought, political philosophy, it is pertinent important to know the morphological and epistemological perspective of these terminologies which begin from ideas. And also we discussed that what political ideas are, and these are the stepping block of our concepts. And do remember that these concepts, when measured or tested, become a theory or generalization. And finally, after a rigorous testing and retesting process, the theory can become into a law. So inshallah ta'ala, do not miss my lectures. In the next lecture, we will further shed light on making the difference between political thought and political theory. That is very, very important class. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.